Honors and texture evaluation as responder and advancer. Now, just a quick note, responder is the partner of the opener and the advancer is the partner of the intervener. The intervener is the player who intervenes between the opener and the responder's bidding. Okay, it's just so we have all of our characters straight. And we're gonna start first with some honor and texture evaluation for them. So let's take a look at some examples. We're gonna compare and contrast to help us remember. First point for responders and advancers is a concentration of honors in the long suit in your long suits are far more valuable than concentration of honors in your short suits. So I have an A and B comparison here. Your partner opens one no trump, you're a responder. And in A, we have a concentration of values in the diamond suit, in the long suit, right? And so that hand, A, is better than B, where same points, same shape, but the concentration of values in B are in the short suit. So you upgrade the concentration of the values in the diamond suit and you downgrade for the concentration of the values in the short suit. Okay, so when partner opens one no trump, with this hand we have 7, 8 high card points. We get 1 long suit point for that 5th diamond. And anytime you have 2 of the top 3 or 3 of the top 5 honors in your long suit, give yourself another upgrade. Okay, in other words, A is worth 10 points.